amazing. I think I should focus on a little bit of it. Although it's not that bad. It looks like, you know, it looks like it's a bit of a water break, kind of where, you know, trout would jump up.
In the water.
Which is very cool, though. I mean, you know, when do you get to see this? It's an amazing experience, actually. Spending your April water driving. Our new Toyota Tundra to see the traffic across the way.
Let's put it into four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I know. This is cool.
Look at the trucks over there. Look at it. Holy shit. Look at that.
Excellent. Yesterday there was no water except on one of the lanes on the southbound. Now on the northbound we're seeing water right across it, getting worse of course as we go. Some equipment here to help. Here's a guy with a great idea. There's a guy. Alright. Pretty amazing. Not often you get to see this view. I think this is pretty amazing. Well, now we've achieved a new level of water. If I were to stop, you'll get a better view of how much water is actually flowing. You can see the flow itself, which is just crested over the road. You know, we've got a couple inches. It's quite remarkable.
I'm really glad we got a full tank of gas before we left.
Yeah, we're gonna need it here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of traffic coming back. It seems a lot of people trying to get back through here.
We got two brave souls right there.
Yes.
And then we got all the rest of them over there.